Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where your Beats Fit Pro are not connecting to one of your devices. So whether you're having connection issues or syncing issues to your iPhone or just to one of your devices in general, then there's actually one quick and easy solution that we can use to go and fix this issue. So all you need to do is go and open up the lid of the case like so, and make sure both of the headphones are placed inside of the case like this. Now once you have both of your headphones secured in the case like this, we're just going to hold down this button at the bottom, and you need to continue to hold this down for around about 20 seconds. So I'm going to do this with you now so you can see exactly what this looks like. So we're going to hold this button down and keep holding the button down, and eventually what should happen is this white light should blink with a red light. So as soon as you see the red light blink, you can go in, release your finger from this button. You can then go and close the case lid like so. And now what we can do is just head back over to our device, whether it's a laptop or an iPhone, it doesn't really matter. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. And then what you can do is just go and open up the lid of your Beats Pro. And from here, they should now pop up and you should now be able to go and connect to the headphones. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.